Fieldsmaster as the general manager. So today I especially took this small video to show you our company running. As you know that we are a manufacturer of color ingredients for 28 years in China, and so far we are the largest manufacturer of color in China. We have 4 self-invested factories. So here is our oldest factory, and today I would like to conduct this online show for you to know more about our company. And in the future, we welcome more and more customers come to China for travel and come to visit us. Because when you come here, you will see how we are running our company and how our team are working here. I believe that you will like us. Welcome to our show hall. And here is the part of our partners and the brands that we collaborated. You can see that there are many famous brands from the worldwide and also some famous branding in China real estate. Here is our company profile. In China, we have 4 self-invested factories. And all our factories, we have the automated production lines. Okay, and here is our worldwide market. Now our product has been delivered to more than 22 countries. And here are part of our VIP distributor and partners in the worldwide. So now we welcome more and more customers, our partners who have the willing to develop the EPDM installation in his local markets. If you have this kind of thoughts, welcome to contact us for more time. Okay, here is our company history. So our company started from the year 20. Our company started from 2007. So now we have run successfully here for 28 years yet. And here is part of the projects we have delivered in China. We have more than 8,000 successful projects delivered in and out of China. And most of the projects are the colored, you see the children playgrounds. So different color patterns has enriched the children's sports feeling. And here is the honored reward that we have received from the China government and also from social communities. Okay friends, here is part of our sample cakes here. So color is Fieldsmaster care about very much, because color is not only a color, especially for the EPDM sports field. Different color patterns can bring the people who are doing sports different feelings, imaginations, and different diversified, joyful feeling. So Fieldsmaster has invested a lot to keep the color fastness. Our granule can always be performing very well, and no fading and no yellowing with our PU binder. So this is very popular with our customers. And here is a new material produced by Fieldsmaster. It's the silicone PU, which is a very ideal material for the basketball court. If you are just looking for a good option for the basketball court, so you can just contact us and know more about this product. Here you can see that we have many colors. Actually, we have delivered more than 128 colors totally to our partners and customers. And here is our sample room. You will see that we have our standard colors stored here for fast delivery to some customers who request for the sample. And I can see that you will never see another EPDM rubber manufacturer who can produce so many colors. This is just because we have strong capability in the color technology, and also we have our automated production line, which can ensure us to deliver so many colors, which can keep the quality consistency to our customers for a long time. Okay, welcome to Fieldsmaster R&D Center. Here you will see that we have a full set of the testing equipment and machines here. We can do most of the chemical and physical